place go? Let me please go to a place that I don't know. Let me please go. Let me please go to a place that I don't know. Hello, test. Hola and hello. I'm Giant Cheerio, and today I would like to show you my current backpacking setup. Like that, I've been traveling since 8 months. Right now I'm also thinking of changing some parts of my setup, but for now I'm good as it is. I'm gonna show you all the bags I got. One thing I want to mention right up front.
Not sponsored.
For now, I'm not sponsored by any of the brands I mentioned. It's my honest opinion, it's my experiences. I'm gonna link all my bags and stuff in the description down there. Let's just start. So I have 3 main bags in which I pack most of my stuff. 2 pannier bags, these ones. Number 1 and number 2. These bags are from Ortlieb. I like them very much. They are waterproof and they have gone through a lot of rough conditions with me. I didn't have any problems with them. Right here is the clipper where you can attach the bag to your rack, and I just have to pull to get them off and get them in as well. And now my bike is falling because I don't have a kickstand. Shit. I know, I don't want a kickstand. I don't need it. 15 minutes later, she's got it. So you attach this bag here and here, depending on your rack, like how thick that part is. You can just adjust this little thing to make it fit to your rack and your bike. Down here there's another plastic thing, and you put that through there. I also attached my ukulele to the bag. I use these things, which are very good to have. I'm very glad I have them. Some Velcro tapes, and this is pretty smart. Oh, and what do we have here? One thing I would recommend is get yourself a speaker, some dancing vibes, some climbing vibes, and start that rolling bicycle party life. The other bag I added to my bicycle is that one. That's my seat pack. It's added to the seat post, and yeah, you just gotta close it, and this is done. There's one clipper on each side. You just have to put them through here underneath your seat, and you close it, and that's it. You do it on both sides and it sticks to your bike. My seat pack is from Topeak. It's 15 liters. There are 2 more clippers. You just open them and you get access to your seat pack. One thing I realized, which is very important for me, like for my needs, is that I'm able to take out a whole bag out of the seat pack. So if you buy a seat pack which doesn't have like an inner bag, I would recommend getting a dry bag or something, so you can just pull it out and you don't have to take off the whole bag if you go to a hostel, or if you just need your stuff close. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the bags at the back are the major bags, like the most important bags for me. I added 1, 2, 3, 4 more bags. Where do we start? Right here. This is my upper frame bag. The brand is called Rockbros. It's waterproof. It's not that big, but it's also not that small. I don't know how many liters. And it's a mess. It's a mess in here. Yeah, I don't know what size it is, but I'm gonna find out. In this bag I store stuff like my wallet and the key to my log to attach it. It's here and also here. I once had a frame bag, I don't have one anymore. Right now I store my water bottles in the frame triangle. 2 water bottles together, 1.5 liters. So the last 3 bags I'm gonna show you, there is one here. It's just a small snack bag. Actually, it's not made for putting it here, but for me it does its job. There's another of these bags down here. I attached it to my fork. It's kind of DIY, and yeah, if you wanna add something to your fork and you don't have like these bottle cages, you can find a solution, but just take care. If you have a carbon fork, you shouldn't put too much weight on it, and in my opinion you can add small tools to your carbon fork. I haven't had any problems. Okay, last bag added to my fork as well, and well, it's not a bag actually, this is my camping cooking equipment, also DIY. Yeah, I added this thing with that string. This is just a regular belt. I added it to my fork with a Velcro tape as well. There, some tape. So oops! Some people might say that this is not very safe, and yes, they might have reason to say that. As I said, it's DIY. For now, it didn't fall off. I think if you want to be on the safe side, just get yourself one of these cages. I don't know if they're always called bottle cage or not. Yeah, this is probably my whole setup. Oh, I forgot something. Here's my handlebar phone case. You put the phone in there and you close that. Never lost my phone, and you can also rotate this thing. Yeah, so that's it. That's my setup. I hope I didn't forget anything. I don't know. There will be another video about the tools I use and about all my, like, I don't know, sleeping bag, tent and whatever. But right now I'm too lazy to unpack all my stuff. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer questions, and as I always say, I'm not a professional. Maybe I'm slowly becoming one, but I'm happy to answer your questions if I can. So I'm saying cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios. Bye bye!